Happy 50th birthday!
Hello, happy birthday, Nikki! I hope you're going to be happy on your special day and may you have many, many more years to celebrate and long life.
생일 축하해. Really, 생일 축하해.
Oh, babe.
Happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. God bless you. Happy 생일 축하합니다.
Jack.
Happy birthday.
Luna, 생일 축하해. Luna. Luna, 생일 축하해. Hi, Te. Surprise. Time check. 6:23. 13 na. Ilang tulog na lang. Magbo-birthday ka na. At tignan mo. Busy-busy ka, di ba? Haggardness na. Yan, sipag mo, di ba? Happy birthday, Te.
Happy birthday, Tita. I just want to thank God first and foremost for giving us a kind, loving, generous, and caring Tita just like you. I also want to thank you for all the sacrifices that you have done for us. Thank you for sending me to school, and I have my bachelor's degree now. So thank you again for your assistance. Thank you as well for financing my review journey, and hopefully this November I will be a registered civil engineer. I pray to God that He will continue to bless you, guide you, protect you, and give you good health. Happy birthday again, Tita, and I pray that God will give you more birthdays to come pa. So happy birthday, Tita. Looking forward to see you soon.
Hi Tita! Happy birthday! Enjoy your special day and more birthdays to come to you. Tita, tumatanda ka na 50 years old. OMG! Sorry, inta ba? Okay, and thank you for all your sacrifices and thank you for everything, Tita. Bye! Thank you! Happy birthday!
Tita, kamusta po? Happy birthday!
Nang, happy birthday, Nang! Hello, Nang Bibi!
Hello, Manang Bibi.
Andito ako at aking asawa na binabati ka.
Happy
Birthday, Nang Bibi. We wish Nang nasa araw na ito, ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo dahil 50 ka na nga, siyempre may dadidad na. Bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng good health, maraming blessings, siyempre love life. Di ba? God bless. Happy birthday sa'yo, Nang. Bye, Nang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Love you, Manang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Nang, happy birthday! Salamat sa Panginoon at narating mo ang yung golden birthday at despite sa mga trials mo sa buhay, you still a strong woman and gorgeous inside and out. Ay napakabuti ng iyong puso. Wish ko naway patuloy ka na gabayan ng ating pong magkapal sa iyong buhay. Maligayang karawan sa iyo, mahal ka namin at ingat ka palagi. Miss na miss ka namin, bakasyon ka naman dito minsan-minsan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Nang! Hindi ka na pala! Mukha ka lang kasing 49 and a half. Hindi, joke lang. Nang, happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Mula sa akin, hanggang sa mga pamangkin mo, hanggang kina nanay at tatay. Thank you sa mga sacrifices mo. Hindi ko na isa-isahin Nang, kasi baka umiyak ka pa, sayang naman yung makeup mo. Mag-wish na lang ako na I wish and I hope and I always pray na makita mo na yung magiging partner mo na hindi pasasakitin yung ulo mo. Pero hintayin ka lang kasi baka high school pa, so hindi, joke lang Nang. God knows your heart, so I hope and meron niyang nakalaan para sa'yo. And I wish and I hope then na you always be happy and always good health.
Abe, happy birthday. I'm so thankful to the Lord for giving you another year. Salamat sa Panginoon na binigay ka niya sa amin bilang mabait na anak, maalalahanin ang lahat dinagawa mo para sa amin. Happy birthday. More years pa. Good health. Nag-ingat kayo dyan. God will bless you more. Nanay will praying you always. May God bless you always.